Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and we're fixing to head to the racetrack. It's been a few weeks since we've been out. We ran across the rain delay 1 week. Then the next week, it was an OSCA night and they wouldn't let us run. And then last weekend, it ended up being one of JJ's races, so we went and filmed that instead. But we're gonna go take this bad boy out. We put a transmission, a Powerglide with a tranny brake in it. We're going to see what that helps pick the car up. Hopefully it doesn't make it slower. It is the very first race-oriented part that we put on it. So hopefully it picks it up. Let's head to the races and see what happens. Alright guys, we just got done making our first pass. Let's take a look at it. We picked up quite a bit. Our best pass before was a 851. We just went a 812. And our best 60 foot before I think was a 179 or maybe a 182. I can't remember for sure, but it picked up over a tenth in the 60. So the money spent on the Powerglide looks like it was well spent. Picked up 4/10. I'm saying we might dip down in the 7s on this next pass. And then we'll go from there. Alright everybody, we just got done making our second pass. It actually went a little bit slower, went an 820 and the 171 60 footer. I stretched it out a little bit more before the shift. I don't think it really liked that. It actually felt like it 60 footed harder, but according to the slip it's not. It actually felt like it pulled a little bit of a wheel stand. You can probably see that in the video. But we're still kind of having problems with the tranny. Just wants to puke out a little bit of fluid. We're gonna put a couple little band-aids on it, give it another shot, and hopefully we can maybe bust down in the 7s tonight. Alright guys, we just made our third pass. I don't think we're going to break into sevens tonight. We gave it the old college try, but don't look like it's going to happen. We're going to actually pump the rear tires up a little bit harder. We've been running them at about 10 pounds. We're going to pump them up to 13 and give it one more shot, see what happens, and call it a night. That pass we went can't hardly see it. It's went a 819 at 81 miles an hour and a 173 60 footer. It felt like it pulled the wheels on that pass too a little bit. It actually feels like it's 60 footing harder, but it's not reflecting that on the time slip. So we're going to try pumping up the tires a little bit, see what that does, and go from there. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.